Hello everyone. If you are wondering where to watch Beast games on your mobile device, you are in the right place. I will show you exactly how to stream it whether you are on Android or iPhone. So now let's jump right in. First, you will need to know that Beast Games is exclusively available on Amazon Prime Video. That means you will need a Prime membership to watch. If you are not already subscribed, Amazon offers a 30-day free trial, and after that, it is $14.99 per month or $139 per year. To watch it on your mobile device, you will need the Amazon Prime Video app. So here is how you will get it. So for Android users, open the Google Play Store, search for Amazon Prime Video, and tap install. Now for iPhone users, open the App Store, search for Amazon Prime Video, and tap Get to download it. Now once you have installed the app, open it and log in with your Prime or with your Amazon Prime account rather. If you are not a Prime member, you can sign up directly from the app. Now just use the search bar in the Prime Video app and type in Beast Games. Select the show from the results and start streaming. And here's a bonus tip. If you are traveling or don't have a strong internet connection, you can download episodes for offline viewing. Just tap the download button next to the episode you want to save and watch it later without Wi-Fi. And that's it. Now you know exactly where and how to watch Beast Games on mobile. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.